Business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. Your boy be back with another video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Guys, I am tired, okay? I am not feeling well. I don't know if it's just allergies, I don't know, but it's pretty annoying, okay? Pretty annoying. But nevertheless, I just want to sit down and talk to you guys about something real quick before we get into the video. First, I want to say, guys, I appreciate all of the support, like I always say, and I don't take for granted you actually taking a little bit of time out of your day to literally watch my videos, and I'm forever grateful, right? So we have a product box on IamHustlersMindset.com, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys me packaging certain orders. Now today we have an order that I have to randomize and see whose order I'm going to do today. So let's get that done. So I put it in the randomizer. All I do is put your order numbers in the randomizer and it comes up, and you could just look at your order number. I will say your first name sometimes, but this is a way for me to actually show you guys how much I am thankful that you are even investing in yourself and also supporting me at the same time. It's a really big thing. If you don't know what the product box is basically a box that has wholesale accessories in there. So what I did was I saw that a lot of people were very scared, as they should be, to start selling wholesale, and especially wholesale electronics. I have had several conversations with people after courses about their fears, and your fears are all justified. It's okay to have a fear. It's okay to be scared that you're not going to sell it. You're not going to sell any merchandise, or you're not going to sell any phones. That happens, right? That when you first get into something, you always have that doubt, right? And that doubt is usually going to always be there, because that's what fuels you. That's what keeps you hustling every day, trying to stay above the curve, you know? So you have to make sure that you embrace that fear and understand this. When you're buying any type of item to flip, you're putting your money into an asset, but it's a different type of asset, because see, paintings, cars, houses, those are all the major assets that people talk about on the daily. But what about products, right? Products are something that you don't have to pay for necessarily any storage. Sometimes you do. If you have a whole bunch, you pay for a storage unit. But if you have a basement, if you have an empty room, you can always put your assets, which will be your products, in that room, right? So you're buying a whole bunch of products, or even phones, and these products are not depreciating. Now, phones, prime example, they'll go up and down, but when it comes to chargers, headphones, when it comes to charging bricks, when it comes to drones, when it comes to smartwatches, when it comes to cases, whatever it is, these items will always have value. So that fear that you have is completely warranted. Like, it's okay to have that fear, but you also have to soothe that fear when you really gain the concept that, prime example, somebody's going to need this somewhere, right? So you might, let's say you don't sell it on any of your selling apps for some weird, odd reason, right? You'll be able to sell this in person to somebody, whether you're in class, whether you're at work. Somebody's going to need these. If you let them know, hey, I have Type-C charging adapters, do you need one? Or if you know anybody that needs one, let me know. Like, let's not complicate things, guys. Let's try and keep things as easy as possible. I'm making tea. As easy as possible, guys. And to be completely transparent, the easiest way to sell electronics really is just being a product of your product, and that is you just literally being your products. So prime example is me. No matter where I go, if I'm in the car, I always have car chargers on me. I always have literally Type-C chargers or 6-foot charging cords on me. So if I am going to an outing with my friends and they don't have a car charger in their car, guess who's selling them? Me. We ain't going to no gas station to get no charger. I am the gas station, you know what I mean? So that fear that you have that you won't be able to sell these items is really void when you really understand that at the end of the day I have assets and the least I can do is liquidate them. So no matter what, I'm good, you know. This is not losing its value. Okay, at Apple, these things are still around $30. In the T-Mobile or AT&T, they're still around $20. I sell mine for $12 to $15. So everybody that comes across me thinks that it's a steal, you know what I mean? But anyway, if you have any more questions about that, guys, continue to watch and also hit me up, okay? If you guys haven't heard already, Telegram won't let you guys type in the chat. So what we're doing is we're actually doing a different type of chat. So text Educated Hustler to 445-500-9600. Again, 445-500-9600, and I will put you in the chat. I'm gonna ask you a few questions about like your email, what's your name, so I can lock you in, and then we're gonna put you in a group chat that we're talking every single day, and we're also gonna be giving you different tips and tricks, and it's good to network, right? So I'm excited about that. Now, we're gonna do the randomizer. All right, so it's gonna be order 1068. Again, order 1068 and first name David, okay? So David is going to be our first order. He ordered the product box, of course. So now I'm going to show you guys what I'm putting in the product box, and I'm going to actually break down the pricing so you guys can see how much this product box is worth, okay? All right, so first we're going to start with the Type-C adapter. We're going to put that in your box, David, and we're going to put 5 of these in your box. Now, let me break down how you're going to sell these. So these adapters, you're going to sell them for around $12 to $15, okay? 12 to 15, it depends on your area, whatever you want to price it. I would say I would go at 12 at first. Once I see like 2 selling, then I'll hike up the price, but it's all up to you. Now, let's just say you sell it in the middle, like let's say 13. So if you have 5 of them and you sell them for 13, you're gonna be making $65 off the bat. $65, okay? $65 just in those chargers, okay? And I'm gonna let you know these chargers are being sold for around $5 to $250, okay? $5 to $250 wholesale. So it depends on the amount you get, of course, via the website, but I'm just letting you know that is a profit. Okay, a lot of people want to talk about AirPods and selling AirPods and this and that. You want to put your money in as many assets as possible that you don't have to invest as much in. So I don't want to put out hundreds of thousands of dollars on assets when I can put out a small amount and still get that profit margin. So smart to sell adapters. I'm just letting y'all know. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to sell. I gotta get these up. We're gonna put 10 of these in your box, okay? These right here, these are going to be screen protectors, tempered glass screen protectors. And these sell well. So you're having everything from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 13 Pro to the iPhone 14 to the iPhone XX Max. So I'm giving you a wide variety of models, okay? But now the way that you're going to deal with these is you can list these on a bundle, so you can bundle them together, so you can say 2 for such and such price. But what I would do is I would sell each one for at least $5 to $6, okay? $5 to $6. So if you sell them for $6 and you got 10, that's an extra $60. That's an extra $60, which is already totaling your box to $125, David. $125. Next, I'm gonna put one of my personal favorites in your box, and these will never ever go away. We all know this. This is the 3.5mm jack headphones, okay? These, I love these because these never went out of style. They are sealed, plastic on them as well. So these are really good sales, and guess what? You can sell these for about $5. My dog is just acting up. $5, okay? I would go to $5.50, $6, $6.50, like I would, but you can do whatever you want. We're just gonna price it at $5 for right now. So $5 is $15 right here in your box extra. So you only pay $140 and you get more value, okay? Because you're putting your money into investments. These will not decrease in value, I'm telling you. So guys, we are already at the 140 mark. So we're at the 140 mark. You sell these, you get your money back already. The next thing are cases, okay? Cases. Now cases, these are going to be a good money maker as well. I would sell them for at least $6 to $10, even $8. I don't sell cases too high because cases, you can get them anywhere. And I want to give you the best deal for the best cases. These cases have velvet plush inside of them. So it's a really, really good protective case, but it also is a stylish one. And it also makes sure your phone is nice and comfy and snug. Selling these, let's say for $8. So that gives you a $40 profit and you're making $180 so far with the box. Next, you have your Apple Watch screen protector tempered glass. Okay, so this right here is a good seller. A lot of people are looking for these. Of course, people want to protect their devices, so this is a good sell. And honestly, I would sell these for around $10 to $15. We're gonna just put it in the middle, so $12 each. Makes you a $24 profit, and that means that you will be making in a box $204 so far. $204. And then of course we have the charging cords. These are USB-C to Lightning charging cords. We're selling these $5 each. Of course, you guys already know how this go. So $5, you can even sell them for $3. I sell them for $5. You can bundle them. That's how I do it. Bundle these. You have 10 of them. So that's $50 added, okay? So we're at $204. So you got $254 now in the box. We got 3 6-foot cables, okay? So the 6-foot cables, these I would sell for around, I ain't gonna lie, I would sell them for around $8, $10. So we're gonna say $9 just to go in the middle. That is going to be a $24 profit, so you are going to be making $281 so far with the box. We got to add some charging adapters, USB charging adapters. These I sell with the chargers. You could sell these with the charger for $10, but what I would say, just like separate, I would do around $3, around $3, $5. I would start with $3, move my way up as they get brought basically, and my ratings go up to $5. So we're just gonna say 4, okay? 4, and it's 5 that's coming in the box. All right, so right now you're at a $301 profit if you're selling all of these at the minimum or the medium price. Ship 42 items, but I'm also gonna throw these in there. These are headphones that I find a lot of people buy because they're less expensive. And these headphones, I would sell them for around $10 each. $10 each. So we're gonna fit those in there right nice and snug. And I'm gonna close the box. So there you guys have it. That is the product box. So David, I hope that you make the most out of this. Again, I have a few Davids, so I will say the product name, that's the product name. The order number 1068. Guys, make this money. So this product box equated to 301 profit, okay? 301 profit. So if we go and minus 301 minus 140, so you're making a $161 profit. If you can flip a product box a week, okay, let's times that by 4, you can make an extra $644 just by getting literally products out of a box. Talking about extra income, guys, it don't get no easier. It don't get no easier, guys. So go to IamHustlersMindset.com. Go get your product box, guys. David, I hope you enjoy. And I just can't wait to just continue to bring you guys content, continue to grow with you guys. Again, we have a webinar coming up on the 21st. It's a phone flipping webinar. You can register right now. Registration link is below. Can't wait to see you guys there. We are having a plan of attack seminar this Sunday, so make sure you guys get into the chat. So text 445-500-9600. Again, 445-500-9600. Text Educated Hustler and I'll put you in the chat. Let's get it. Peace.